Do you not like when the Messenger chat head always appears on your screen every time you receive a message? If yes, then this is the best video for you. I will gonna teach you how to get rid of it. Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. In this video, I will gonna teach you how you can turn off chat head in Messenger, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn off your Messenger chat head, first open your Messenger app. Once you've opened your Messenger, next tap the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. After that, go and tap Settings. Then scroll down until you find chat heads. Once you've found it, go and tap this to turn it off. And after that, your problem will be solved. The Messenger chat heads won't appear anymore unless you turn it back on. And so that's just how you do it guys, it's easy right? Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that's all for this video guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if there is something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So that's all guys, see you in my next video, thanks for watching, goodbye.